Welcome to Memoir, where every journey tells a story. Get ready to witness some of the most intense moments on the road. From unexpected crashes to spectacular maneuvers, each situation holds a valuable lesson. Who will avoid danger and what caused these incidents? Stay tuned until the end to find out. Oh, what a pity. A second faster, a lifetime slower. The truck driver might have thought he was saving a few seconds, but in return, he was risking a catastrophic accident. A reckless overtake, and the whole city paid the price. The truck driver might have thought he was saving just a few seconds, but the consequences lasted for hours. At high speeds, spotting and avoiding such obstacles is nearly impossible. The key question is, were there warning signs or did drivers have no chance to react? This is why wrong-way accidents are among the most dangerous situations on the road. No matter the cause, the consequences are always devastating. This is a typical example of the dangers of unsecured cargo. When the container truck brakes suddenly, inertia turned the cargo into steel missiles, shooting straight forward. If the driver had been sitting slightly off position, the consequences could have been far worse. Was this a reckless move or sheer misjudgment? A split-second attempt to overtake, or simply a complete failure to assess the situation? The sedan in front was lucky to dodge at the last moment, but the tanker truck had no choice. Gravity and momentum made the decision for the driver. The BMW driver, tired of waiting, decided to upgrade into the bus lane, but instead of reaching his destination faster, he got a brutal wake-up call from a double-decker bus. The result? A chain reaction crash, traffic chaos, and a lesson he won't forget. Oh my God, luckily no one was killed. When driving near large vehicles, remember that they cannot stop immediately or react as quickly as smaller cars. Always yield the right of way and avoid blind spots.
How much money do you have?
Скажите, 14?
An Audi came flying in like a missile, crashing so hard that it flipped over. Enough of a spectacle for Hollywood to consider a sequel. Fast and Furious, Haifa Drift. The car came speeding like a stray bullet, turning a routine traffic stop into a dramatic scene straight out of Fast and Furious. Luckily, the officer and driver sustained only minor injuries. This driver either underestimated the sign or overestimated the truck's ability to squeeze through. The result? A scalped truck and an expensive physics lesson. Electric scooters are a modern transportation solution offering both convenience and eco-friendliness. However, the risk of lithium battery fires is a serious concern. Safety should always come first. Using them correctly ensures a smooth ride without hidden dangers. What caused this unexpected spin? Too fast, too reckless, or too confident in the road conditions? Whatever the reason, one thing remains true. Highways are no place for unplanned drifts. Oh my God, this is so unbelievable that I don't know whether to laugh or be concerned. Is this an accident or a talent? Let's debate. Looks like the driver thought they were in a high-speed race, but in reverse mode. If this was a competition for fastest reverse driver, then congratulations, we have an undisputed champion. This incident is not just a simple traffic accident, but a series of dangerous actions caused by the driver's anger and lack of self-control. A person may lose their temper for just a moment, but the consequences can last a lifetime. What do you think about this situation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Luckily, the mechanic pulls his foot away just in time. Otherwise, he'd have an unwanted appointment with the hospital. But after the shock, he has to sprint after his own truck like it's an Olympic race. In the moment of losing control, the driver had almost no chance to correct the mistake. If not for the guardrail, this story could have had a much worse ending. This reminds us that sometimes just 1 second of distraction or a little excess speed can lead to disaster. Oh my God, overtaking is not just a simple maneuver. It requires skill, awareness, and a reasonable level of confidence. In this situation, the driver seemed to have attempted to overtake, but then panicked, leading to sudden braking and loss of control on the rough road.